So, not so much has been going on in the motocross department lately. We have been snowboarding and different things instead. So I think no riding at all in 3 weeks or so. So this weekend we're going again and we're going to try out a new track. Looking forward to that. I really hope it's not as sandy as usual. So maybe I'm not going to fall down every now and then. Let's see. But today my project is to put on a hot start on this bike. Because the previous owner or somebody online has removed the hot start. And it is really hard to start when it's warm, sorry, not cold, warm. And now when the little wolf has a similar bike with a hot start, I can totally see the difference. He kicks it 2 times and it's running. I'm standing there kicking and kicking, so I have bought a used hot start and let's put it on. So here we have the new piece, or well, used, but new to me. It's from a 450 and I only have a 250, but it's supposed to be the same, so let's see. It's a little bit sad to put on this old silver colored clutch because I bought just recently a nice red clutch, so I'll see if I can combine them somehow, but I fear it's not really possible. This is actually the first time I'm removing the tank since I bought the bike, and the proper clip is missing. This is what the hot start looks like now, kind of a homemade version. I mean, it works, but when you pull it, it doesn't stay out, and it's kind of impossible to pull it and kick at the same time. It is quite dirty in there. I mean, I think I clean my bike after every ride, but apparently not good enough. So just in case, I'm going to clean it off with some compressed air so I don't get some dirt in there when I remove the old hot start. The space in there is really tight, so it will be interesting to see if it's going to be hard to get the old one off. Finally got the old one off. It required some violent tools, and the old hot start was quite full of dirt and sand. Of course the dirt comes in there through the hole and collects in here, so I'll do my best to clean off the hole before I put the new one in. Let's have a look how the cable is supposed to be routed. And the new hot start cable is on. Was a bit tricky, but with some lubricant it worked. Step 2. Can I reuse my current clutch somehow? Let's figure it out. So it seems it's possible to change it. Let's give it a try. I'll just take the opportunity to grease everything now when I have it apart anyways. It's really handy to have 2 similar bikes in the house, because now I can check the wolf's bike when I'm not sure how things are going. And I just realized I had put on the clutch cable wrong down on the engine. So now I can take the opportunity to correct that. Woohoo! It's on! It looks alright. Will be interesting to give it a try now.